Hello everyone, my name is Sushant Trivedi and I'm a senior undergraduate student pursuing bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Wayne State University. Today I would like to talk about the particle accelerator, and in specific I would like to talk about the Large Hadron Collider, and I will be referring to Large Hadron Collider as LHC. I will be focusing on the background of it, what is a Hadron Collider, the purpose of the collider, results from the research, was that research adequate, and what is the future of it. Starting off with the background. So let's focus on the basic question: what is a particle accelerator? Well, a particle accelerator is a huge machine capable of accelerating particles, elementary particles such as electrons or protons, at a very high speed, at the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second, which is really very, very fast. So, Sir John Adams first came up with the concept of a hadron collider, and he suggested building of an underground tunnel, and the world's largest particle collider came into existence somewhere at around 1977. Now, what is Large Hadron Collider? I would talk about the specifics of it. The Large Hadron Collider stretches along the French-Swiss border, which is 17 miles or 27 kilometers. And the scientists claim that the collision of the particles takes place at around 99.99% of the speed of light, which is really very fast, and it is responsible for generating immense amount of energy. The particles collided about 11,245 times in just 1 second, which produces immense amount of energy. But why do we need the particle accelerator? What is the purpose of it? Well, there's just one simple purpose of Large Hadron Collider, and that is for the research purposes. Now, scientists have been debating about an element known as a God particle, which is called the Higgs boson. Now, the Large Hadron Collider was responsible for the discovery of the Higgs boson particle, and the discovery of the Higgs boson particle was made on July 4th, 2012. What results do we get from the experiment done on the Large Hadron Collider? Well, one of the most important results that we got from the Large Hadron Collider experiment was that the mass of the Higgs boson particle is 125 times the mass of a proton. Even though the LHC impressed the scientists with the discovery of Higgs boson, but there are still some of the very unknown theories that still needs to be answered. For example, what is the theory of supersymmetry? Why is there an existence of dark matter, or is there an existence of dark matter? Is there an existence of dark energy? So these are some of the theories that still needs to be answered, and that is why scientists are now looking to develop even more powerful collider than the Large Hadron Collider, which would be responsible for emitting radiations, or the energy double the amount that was seen in the Large Hadron Collider, and would be as much as four times larger than the Large Hadron Collider. And this would definitely help the scientists to solve some of the unsolvable questions in the field of science.